Hello everyone. We had an awful incident on the Long Island Railroad this morning. A person was struck by a train near the Woodside station this morning. Here are the details from AM New York. This person was struck at 5 a.m. A spokesman said from the MTA. As a result, trains were running with delays and cancellations for more than 2 hours. Service was restored at Kew Gardens, Forest Hills, and Woodside at about 7:30 this morning after earlier suspensions, but delays were still averaging 15 to 20 minutes in both directions between Jamaica and Penn Station, the MTA said. Here's the latest I can tell you right now, as of 11:53 a.m. Everything is running on or close to schedule, which is the good news, but if there's any information about the individual being identified, me and or Matt Camper will keep you posted, just like how they identified the individual in Limbrook that was struck and killed by the train a few months back. So I'm of course going to leave this article in the description below. Thank you for watching.